Here we go with another question from our hashing series. The question is sort characters by frequency. Given a string yes, sort it in decreasing order based on the frequency of the characters. The frequency of the character is the number of times it appears in the string. Written the sorted string if there are multiple answers written any of them. So we are given with a string that is tree, and we have to write it. It's not the reverse. If you see the first example, you'll think it's just the reverse, but no. You will have to use a hash map in order to calculate the frequency of the characters present in the yes string, and then you have to print all the characters which has the maximum frequency first. Yeah, see here we have maximum E as 2. This is the maximum frequency. So we print it twice first, and then T and R appear once. So we print it later. The answer can be EETR or EERT. Both are valid answers. The same thing over here. We will visually analyze the solution first. See here. Overall, the visual flow. See, this is the given string, and this is the frequency. So T appears once, R appears once, and E appears twice. Then we'll have to use a max heap, which will help us track keep a track of the maximum frequency, which character has the maximum frequency. Then we poll it, and then append it that many times into the substring, the string builder. Then we at the end we print that string builder in the form of string to return the answer. So the algorithm is, first of all, we will have to calculate the frequency of character using a hash map. Let's code this in the LeetCode editor. Hash map character comma integer. What did I do? Let's name it as map is equal to new hash map. Then run a for loop. Let's say char c against yes dot to char array. If you are new to this function basically converts our given string into character array, and then we will have to use map dot put c comma map dot get or default, then c comma 0 plus 1. This will give us the frequency of the characters in the given string. And then let's go to the algorithm, and then we have to create a max heap ordered by frequency. Max heap ordered by frequency. For max heap, we'll need priority queue. What should we store in the priority queue? It's the character, because we need characters in our max heap stored based on the frequency. So character we'll keep the priority queue as pq is equal to new priority queue. Okay, now the condition is that a comma b, it's based on our frequency. Where is our frequency stored? It's mapped to our key, right? So it's map dot get b minus map dot get a. Okay, now what do we store in our priority queue? It's all the values of map. So pq dot add all map dot key set. All the keys you'll be storing in our priority queue. Then you'll need a string builder. String builder SB is equal to new string builder, and now you will have to use a while loop according to add all the unique characters to the heap. We have done this. Now we'll need to check if the while loop, if the heap is empty or not. Until the heap is empty, we need to run a while loop. While not is empty, we have to continue. Poll the highest frequency and then append it to the frequency times, and then append it frequency times. Okay, now we'll poll it. We'll take a character C is equal to PQ dot poll, and then we need the frequency. We'll name it as n. N is equal to map dot get C. Now we need a for loop, and because we have to append that character those many times into our string builder. I less than n, I plus plus, sb dot append C. This is it. Then we will be returning our SB. We have to convert it to string. This is the function used to convert the string builder into a string. Where did we go wrong? Oh yeah, a bracket is missing, the final bracket. Oh my god, PQ dot is empty. So many mistakes, huh? What? SB dot append variable SB can't find symbol variable SB. Oh shit. Yes, let's submit the answer. Here we go. Now let's talk about the time complexity. Yeah, let's consider n to be the length of the string and u be the unique characters. So frequency map uses time complexity of big O of n, and heap operation uses u log u. Remember, u is unique characters. So yeah, the time complexity overall becomes big O of n plus u log u. And then space complexity is big O of u. Thank you.